I need your help. Can you tell? Sing along and we'll do swell. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. To hear some music.
Now there are 8 bubbles. Bubbles sure are amazing.
We're riding on the bus with the alphabet. Won't you press the letter and see what you get? Thanks for learning with Leapfrog. Bye-bye.
Goofy, let's all go bubbling. Or should would. But,
What about Clarabelle and Bella?
and the tea and biscuits and dog biscuits party. We take around the bubbles and they had a party too.